What it do, YouTube family? It's your boy, your main Diecast dealer, and we doing it different this time. Y'all gonna hear me talk. We unboxing a big box full of cars that I'm excited to show. So yeah, let's get into it. Now you know I can't do a vid without my handy dandy green machine. Yes sir, we about to slice and dice. Get right into it. Yes sir, that thing jam-packed tight. Loaded full of cars. I'm so excited. So yeah, we gonna take them out. You know, got the mace though. Wonder what that could be. We gonna show y'all. We gonna get into it for sure. Alright, man, that's all of the cars out. We're gonna start with our first one. Wonder what it could be. Let's see. That's that Shelby Mustang. White with the blue stripes. Yes, sir. Nasty. I'm not gonna open that one yet because you can see it. So we just sit that one right to the side. Let's see what our next one could be. Oh, yeah. Special edition. All of them. That is a mace, though. Size should be 124. Yeah, let's get it. This one little rascal. Ooh wee. What that is? 124 Ford Mustang, orange. Yes, sir. It's a beauty right there. Not really a Mustang guy, but my customers love the Mustangs. All right, we done with that one. Time for our next car right here. This is a bigger size. I can tell this is a 118. I was trying to find the tape. Get that tape going. Yep. Let's see. Ooh. That's the 1971 Datsun 24Z. Ooh, with the green candy apple pearlescent paint. Gotta love it. All right, for this next one right here, we got the 2-for-1, two of them. Let's go ahead and check this out. That is a Camaro Harley Davidson 2017. Whew, fire paint job. Then we got another Ford Mustang. Yes, the Harley Davidson edition with the Harley Davidson custom paint job. They're both beautiful. All right, for our next set of die-cast vehicles, we have another 2-for-1. I hope y'all keeping count. So yes, sir, looking for the tape. I'm probably gonna reuse that bubble tape. I'm not gonna lie. It's called recycling. But let's see what we got. Ooh, they put the tissue on it. You know it's real. Oh my God. That is the 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRO Pro. Got the wheels on it, got the wide body kit, off-road kit. I can't wait to unbox that one. That is a beautiful one. Then we back though with the Toyota Celica GTS gold rims. I don't know what it is about this. This is a beautiful car. You know this mean business. All right, for our next one. Let's see what we got. Looking for that tape. Yeah. All right. Ooh wee. That look like candy orange. That 2015 Ford Mustang GT. Ooh, I like how even the paint job is. Everything's smooth, cream. You know it's me when it's coming, and you hear it. It's for the customers though. I'm not really a Mustang guy, but I love that paint job. Shit is beautiful. Alright, for our next one, let's see what we got. Oh, we got the big boy, bigger box. So this is a 118 scale size diecast vehicle. I'm looking for this rascally tape. Can't never find it. There you go. Ooh, La Policia Ford Mustang GT. Ooh, try to outrun that. That is such a beautiful, I mean, to protect and to serve. Some people might not like it. I love it. I ignore my little hole in my glove, put it through some work, but that's a beautiful one right there for sure. All right, next vehicle out the box. Let's see what we got. Get that tape going. Yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh wee. That red 1993 Chevy 454 SS pickup. Do you know about it? I don't think you do. This is such a beautiful car. You know it got an engine in it too, for sure. All right, with our next vehicle, hit them with the flippity skip. There go that tape. Get that shit out of here. Stupid ass tape. And my box cutter, my blade getting dull. I could rip that up a little bit. Another Maisto. Ooh, another red Volkswagen Golf R32. Ooh, I just like little small cars. Sometimes, you know, you hear that motor coming. I think it's a beaut. All right, for this next one, let's see what we got. Of course, it's a Maisto. Looks like scale 124. My box cut a little dull, so I'm trying to and took it through some things. Ooh, we got the Volkswagen van Samba. This is actually a scale 125, a little bit smaller, but yeah, it's very detailed. A lot of features. Can't wait to open that one. All right, with this next one, looking for that tape. Of course, it's another Maisto. Oh, there we go, found it. Now bear with me, my box cutter. I've been taking it through some things. There we go. And ooh, that is the candy blue Dodge Challenger SRT. Get me coming up the street. Let me know what you like out of Ford or Dodge, man. Which one are you? Comment below. All right, and with this one, y'all seen already, I'm just opening it. This that 2024 Shelby Mustang GT 500. Ooh, you know this thing loud. Got the little Shelby logo. And then it's the collection, man. I'm gonna unbox all of these. Leave a link in the description for all of them to be purchased if you're interested in buying any of them. You know, you're gonna have to move really fast because they sell out very quickly. Ooh, that Tacoma TRO Pro, Challenger, Harley Davidson, Volkswagen, Celica, Ford Mustang, the SS Chevy. Yes, sir. Ooh, we got the bonus vehicle. That Tesla Cybertruck. Yes, sir. Had to give me one of them, scale 124. Yep. It will be for sale. Link will be in the description for sure. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate y'all watching. We're going to try to do talking videos from now on. But that wraps it up for today, man. It's your main Diecast dealer. Checking